Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session. All right. On this session, we are going to be analyzing the market together and looking for trade entry opportunities. All right. So go and get your accounts ready. If you don't have enough capital, go and top up your account. All right. And if you use the big banner, that big banner in front of you, that banner where deposit with the benefit is written on. Yes, that big one. If you click on it, it will take you to where you can fund your account. Okay. So if you fund $10, you are going to be added into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund $15, you're going to be added into the premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200, you're going to be added into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also have the benefit of learning how to trade from me. Okay. So you have a 1 hour session with me where I'll teach you how to become a profitable Forex trader. All right. And the money you'll be funding in your account is the money you'll be using to trade. All right. So it's not as if you are paying for this service. Whatever you fund in your account is your money. Okay. The money will be in your trading wallet where you'll be using it to trade. So if you join the premium group, I'll give signal and you still grow the money. You still grow the money with the signal I'll be providing. All right. So guys, everything is free. Okay. Everything is free. All that is required from you is for you to use that banner, okay, to fund your account. All right. So we are currently, I'm currently analyzing this market. Okay. Don't let me say we. Okay. We are not the one. We are not doing the job together. All right. So I am the one fund analyzing the market. Um. So when I give the signal, we place the trade together. That is it. Okay. So right now, this opportunity might not come, you know, earlier as expected. So I think we should look for another entry opportunity. This is the 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame rather, right? So let's look for opportunities. Let's look for opportunities. Okay. This is approaching this area, and I'm very sure when it gets here, the market is going to continue to drop down to the downside. Okay. So I'm going to keep a lookout on this for my premium members. Okay. So once I get a rejection, I'm going to tell them to sell. So if you want to get the benefit of this, if you want to enjoy the benefit, if you want to get this signal, fund your account right now. Right? Fund your account with at least, even if it is just $10. $10 will keep you in the group for 2 weeks. Okay? At least. Fund $10, come and test the signal. All right. So let's move to another pair. No time to waste time. Yeah. So let's move to another pair. Let's go check out what else we can trade. All right. So you see, this is already approaching this area, which is a very good thing. Okay. So this market came to fill all these areas. Okay. So this is another opportunity I'll keep an eye out for. Once this triggers, I'm going to give it to my premium members to enjoy. Right. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go see. Let's see if we can get an entry. Okay. So the 5 minute is currently giving a reversal candle. Okay, so let's wait on this. Let's see if we can take this opportunity. Okay. Okay. So I think we have a rejection here. Okay. So if this gives us a proper crossing to the downside, then we take a sell trade. If this gives us a proper rejection, and we sell to the downside, all right? So if it doesn't give us rejection, then we move on to the next analysis, all right? Let's give this a little bit of time. Let's see if it's going to create a rejection. The market is already inside the zone. All we need here right now is a confirmation to sell this. So once we get the confirmation, we are selling immediately. If it goes above this level, then this setup becomes invalid. So once we get that big rejection, we are placing our trade. So if this closes this way, the setup is invalid. So less than 1 minute, 30 seconds to the end of this current candle. This is the 3 minute time frame. Okay. So thanks for the suggestion, BTC USDT. All right. So let's just wait for the close of this candle. Okay. So once this closes and doesn't give us any confirmation for a trade entry, then we analyze BTC USDT. Okay. Let's see if we can get an opportunity from BTC USDT. Thanks for the suggestion. So the reason why we are waiting here is because we still have a zone that the market needs to go to. So if it closes above that zone, then the market is going to continue to the upside. Okay, so it closes above it, making our setup invalid. All right. So let's go to BTC USDT. Let's go check out what BTC USDT is currently doing. Let's start our analysis from the higher time frame. Okay. 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 So BTC USDT, let's wait for a retest on this zone. Once this market retests around here, then we enter for a sell. All right. So all I need here is a rejection. Let's see if we can get a rejection. This is BTC USDT. So if this market rejects around this area and closes below, then we enter for a sell. Let's go to lower time frame where we can get a better view. So right now you see, well, if this trade is going to be making move to the upside, then let's see if we can get an opportunity there. Okay. So trust me, this market is going to calm down. right? So this is just a retest of this small breakout around this area. Okay, so it's better to look out for sell opportunities. Trying to analyze the market here, trying to see if we are going to get an entry or if we can ride it to the upside. Okay, as I've said earlier, the opportunity I see right now is a sell opportunity to the downside. So it would be unwise to buy when the market is giving you a sell. So I'm not saying you can't actually sell or buy when the market is on the opposite direction. You can buy if the market is selling, you can sell if the market is buying. Okay, it just depends on um, what the higher time frame is saying as at that moment. Okay, so if the higher time frame, if the movement will be too, it will take time before the market comes to trigger your sell or your buy, you can take the other way around and scalp it to where the market currently is. Okay, so I see another person suggesting NZD USD. That is very good. Thank you. Thanks for the suggestion. So guys, please keep it coming. All right. So our setup here is invalid. Okay, our setup there was not valid. I think the market is gonna come here. Use this area as an inducement. So don't worry, we'll come back to check this very soon. This is the 5 minutes time frame. We are not going anywhere, and this would definitely play out. Okay, so let's just give it a little bit more minute for the market to get here. Then we sell to the downside. All right. So guys, let's go and analyze NZD USD, the New Zealand dollar against the United States dollar. All right. Let's go to a higher time frame. Wow, this is quite a movement here. right? So let's go to the lower time frame, bit by bit. Let's go see what the lower time frame has done. Okay, so the market has been moving for some times now. Market is currently here, just a bit, guys. All right, so let's do that there. And you see the market has already take off from this area. Okay, so this is a trend that could have given a lot of money if if you caught it. Okay, so if we cut this could have given us from there to this area. This is where our stop loss would have been. So right now we could have made up to two. See, two risk to reward ratio, 1:2. So this is a good profit, guys. And this is the 50-minute time frame. Okay. Um, we can't scalp this right now because the market is already trending. You see the candles, it's printing. So this is a good trend. You need to allow this market to get to this area. So these zones are where the market might, make it move from. From here, probably, where we have this breaker block. So we need to allow this market to get to this area, then look at what the market is doing before we jump right into it, right? You can't just make any decision here. You can't just make any decision. So, guys, if you have any more suggestions, please let me know. But for now, let's just continue with our random analysis so that we can get, trade opportunity on time and see what we can do, see how much we can make with such opportunity. Okay. So this is another area that I'm going to be looking out for in case when the market comes here. All right. So thanks for the suggestion. GBP USD, AUD USD. Those are great. So let's analyze GBP USD first. Okay. So since we already have AUD USD, let's do AUD USD first. Okay. AUD USD. Then we move to GBP USD. All right. So, guys, this is like a tip I'm already giving out. Even though we don't get opportunity here right now, you can still keep an eye out for this. So when it gets to, these areas, you can just take screenshot. When the market gets to this area, just watch the move, and you can place your trade. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go see what this is currently doing on the lower time frame. Okay. All right. So the market is currently approaching the next zone, which is around here. Okay. Market is currently approaching the next zone. All right. So any rejection here now is a confirmation for a sell. Okay. Any rejection here is a confirmation for a sell. All right, guys. So this is a very good trade. But since we are looking to scalp, I don't think we can, uh, you know, I don't think we can wait for this to give us the proper confirmation we want, because I'm sure everybody is eager to get trade and to place trade. So we are looking for something that is going to give us a sharp entry. Right now we can't take this because all right. Let's go to the lower time frame. You see, on the lower time frame, there's no confirmation yet. Okay. So the only time to get a confirmation here is if we get a close below this area. Okay. So you see, this is the 5 minutes time frame. The market is almost at the zone. Though the market is currently reacting to this area right now. Okay, it's currently reacting to all these areas. We will take this trade if this successfully comes below this two moving average. So if we get a crossing on these two moving averages, then we take a sell trade. So let's just give this a little bit of time. Let's see if it's going to come down and give us the entry we want. Okay. But I'm sure this market is going to make a move to this area before it comes down totally. Because the trend from the higher time frame suggests that the market would go down more. So let's have a little more patience here. After this, we are going to analyze GBP USD next. All right. So guys, you can set your charts to AUD USD. All right. So when this gives us the confirmation we need, we are going to place in the trade immediately. Okay. So the market is the previous market didn't close above the both averages. But let's see if this current one is going to close and hold below. If it holds below, all we need to do is just wait for a retest. Then we sell to at least this area, right? This area. So let's see what will happen with this next candle. Right. So it's just 1 minute to the end of this candle. A minute and few seconds, all right? So once this closes and give us that confirmation, we are placing our first money trade. Few seconds more. All right. So let's wait for a retest. Then we enter for a sell. So guys, get your account ready. Stay on AUD USD. Okay. This is about to give us a setup confirmation. Right. Okay, so I think we should quickly look at GBP USD. We'll come back to this. We'll come back to this AUD USD. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So once this closes this way, then we take our entry immediately. Guys, get your account ready. GBP USD. Get it ready right now. Okay, so just few seconds, few more seconds. So let this retrace. I don't want us to take an entry here, and then our stop loss is here. So let's get a little retracement at least. Okay, maybe to this area. Then we take our sell. Let's get a little retracement, guys. It's important. So if we enter this trade right now, it must start giving us a drawdown because the market will want to go up. So let's allow this market to come to at least this area. Then we take our sell from there. Break a block here. You see? You see what I said? Okay, guys, let's sell GBP USD. GBP USD, I am currently selling. Okay. So even if it comes here, I'm going to open another sell. So I'm currently selling GBP USD right now. So let's give this time. Let's see how it plays out. So if it comes here, with a body close, then we go out of the trade. So we entered from here, right? So our trade is still active. Our trade is running a profit, guys. So let's just give this a little bit more time. I'm only going to close this trade if it goes above this area with a full body close. Okay. Still holding this trade, guys. So let's go back. Let's go check if AUD USD has given us confirmation. Then we can also open. Oh boy. So the trade didn't come back to this area for the confirmation. It just continued to go down. All right. Okay. So no worries. The opportunity was missed. So let's stay. So if this gave us a fast profit, hopefully we are able to take another setup before the end of our session. So this is giving us profit already. So if you have multiple positions open, like I do, once this market gets to this area, I'm going to close some positions. Okay, so it's still moving to the downside. So this is my first take profit. GBP USD, beautiful move. It's giving us profit, guys. So once it gets there, I'm closing my first profit and waiting for another one. So it's approaching, just think in a pip. Okay. So in just a pip, I'm gonna close this trade. That's good. I'm closing, guys. I'm closing some position. It's a good profit for me. So I have multiple positions open. I've closed two out of the four positions I opened. If you have one position, close your position. This is the 3 minutes time frame, and we are scalping this. So from here to this area is a good profit enough. Okay. If you have multiple positions like I did, you can close. If you have two, you can close one. You can leave the other one to run. Okay, because we'll still be checking this later. But if you want to secure your profit, just close everything. So for you that suggested GBP USD, thank you very much. We analyzed it and we were able to scalp the market. All right. So let's go to another trade. Let's go back to Euro USD. Sorry, let's go back to AUD USD. Okay, that's Aussie USD. Okay. This is CADJPY. Let's see if CADJPY is going to give us an opportunity like the GBP USD just did. Let's go to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna sell from there. My stop loss is gonna be here, and my TP is gonna be way down below. Okay, let's go. Let's check. Let's go back and check AUD USD. Okay, see, still hasn't gotten to our zone yet. For those that still have, open position on GBP AUD. Okay, okay. Yeah, you see, I told you, this is where I took my profit from. And you see, the market moved from there. So this is why, as a trader, you need to be very careful of areas like this. The market will always make move from such areas. Okay, but hopefully this still goes down. Come to this area and give me my second TP. Okay, but for us, it's a win because I already told everybody close. If you have multiple positions and you want to hold, it is your choice. All right. So I've take positions that I know would not affect me. All right. So let's quickly see if we can scalp another market. Let's see if we can quickly scalp another market before our time runs out. So I think this is still gonna go down. Let's see if we get a rejection here. Then we take second trade on GBP USD. Okay. So this is the 5 minutes time frame. Let's stay on this. So I had 4 positions open. I closed 3 in good profit, and I left one with a small dot size. All right. So that is how to protect capital and protecting of trades generally. So if this gives another rejection here, then we take the second sell and ride it to the downside. So if it doesn't close below, though all of these areas are areas where the market could probably, make move from. So even though it comes to this area, I won't be surprised, right? But I still want it to come down below here and give us that perfect entry. So first trade was a success. Okay, it gave us a very beautiful profit. So we made our first profit. We are looking for second entry opportunity on the same pair, GBP USD. So once we get a rejection here to the downside, then we sell for the second time. If we get a candle like this is not a good confirmation. This is a doji. We don't want a doji. Okay, we want a candle with wick and a small body down below. Okay, so that didn't give us a good confirmation. But I think the market is still going to go down because I still have my position open. Okay, I still have my position open, but I'm not, okay with this confirmation. So, but overall, we made our first profit from this. I don't think this market is going to go above this, but I didn't get the confirmation to take our second entry. Okay, but I'm still on this trade because I know it will still come down. Okay, but for you, my viewers, I don't want you to take a trade that is going to, this is the 5 minutes time frame. So before the trade gets to this area, could take, if you are using 0.01, this could take up to $1 from you. Okay. So, and I know some would want to open multiple position because we are scalping. So we need a proper confirmation to take a setup. All right. So guys, but our first entry was beautiful. We made a very good profit. And that is the most important thing. All right. So please do not forget we have our Telegram question and answer session coming up in less than 30 minutes. Okay, 11:30. So guys, please let's gather there. Let's put heads together. Okay. So if you have anything you want to say to me, you want to say to Miss Bella, join us on the Telegram live. Then we can communicate. All right. So guys, we've come to the end of our morning session for today. We still have our afternoon session by 2 p.m. But before then, let's go to the live. Let's go to Telegram live. Let's go, talk to each other. All right. So until then, guys, bye for now. And if you are still holding this trade, if you are still holding this, let me just open. I don't know if anybody is still holding, but I am still holding though. I'm still holding. So this is my stop loss. This is my this is my stop loss. This is my take profit. Okay. Or you can just watch out for this. You can just take a screenshot, then go to your own chart. So when the market comes to this area, you close. All right. But when it comes to around this area and give you profit, you take your profit and run away from the market. All right. So guys, I'll see you on the Telegram live. Bye for now.